If your video is getting less than 100 views, stop blaming YouTube AI. Fix this first. Because YouTube AI is not trying to ignore you. It's actually doing its job so perfectly. The real problem is you are making mistakes that 90% of small creators makes, and that one mistake is keeping your channel stuck at 30, 50, 80 views forever. And no, it is not about your editing, it's not about your consistency. It's something more fundamental. And in this video, I will break down for you step by step so you can finally understand what actually holding your channel back. Now, here's a most creator get completely wrong. When your videos get 30, 50, even 80 views, you think something is broken. Either your content is bad or YouTube AI isn't pushing your content to viewers. But that's not what actually is happening. What actually happening is YouTube AI is testing you right now. Your video being shown to small group of people in different places at different time, and it is trying to answer one simple question: who is this video is actually for? Because until YouTube AI understand your audience, it will not push your videos further. And in this phase where nothing seems to move, where your videos feel stuck, where everything looks dead, this is what I call the silent testing phase, and almost every creator goes through this. But here's a problem most people don't understand. So what they actually do? They panic. They change their niche, they switch their content, they try random things, or worse, they quit. Right when YouTube AI is just starting to figure them out, and that's the biggest mistake that you can make, because YouTube AI is not against you. It just don't understand you yet. And in the next phase, I will show you exactly why it don't understand you and how one simple shift can completely change your result. Hey, if you're still watching this video right now, that already tells me something about you. You're not just watching videos, you're actually wanted to understand this. You wanted to grow on YouTube and build system that brings you warm lead on autopilot. So I just wanted to ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? If not, subscribe to my channel right now, because in this channel I will break down step by step so you don't have to stay stuck at 50 views forever. If you're serious about getting your first sales on YouTube organically, hit subscribe now and let me help you to land your first client organically. Now, let's get back into it. Now, here's where things get interesting. Most creator thinks YouTube work like this. If I use right keyword, if I write perfect text, if I optimize my description, then my video will rank and I will start getting views. But to be honest, that is outdated. That strategy worked a year ago, and today YouTube does not work like a search engine. It works like a recommendation systems powered by YouTube AI. Let me tell you what does it means. Your video don't grow because people searching for them. Your videos grow because YouTube AI decide to push to them on the homepage and in the suggested videos. Let me simplify this for you. You are not competing the rank anymore. You are competing the attention, because the moment YouTube AI picks your videos, that's when everything change. That's when you start getting impression. That's when you start getting real views, not from scratch, from the recommendation. And that's something tag will never give you. So if you're still spending hours to trying to perfect SEO, you're playing the wrong game, because YouTube AI already knows what your video is about. What it's trying to figure out is, will people click these videos and will people watch it? That's it. And if the answer is no, your video stay stuck forever. No matter how good your video is, no matter how good your editing is, no matter how many keywords you use. And this lead to the biggest mistake. The reason YouTube AI is not giving you the impression in the first place. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. You are not struggling out because you are not working hard enough. You are struggling because you are making videos and people don't care about it. And I know that sounds very harsh. It happened to me as well. But stay with me. Most creators do this without even realizing it. They sit down and they think, what do I want to make today? What topic I feel like talking about? And then they create the videos. But here's the problem. YouTube does not reward what you want to say. It rewards what people already want to watch. Let me show you in the simplest way possible. Imagine there's a two circle. In first circles, what you wanted to create, and the second circle, what people already clicking in your niche or in your competition. Now most creators are operating here, completely outside, making random videos, hoping something work, but the real growth happen here. The between overlap. Where your interest meets the proven demand, that's where YouTube will start pushing you. Because now the algorithm is confident. It knows, okay, people actually care about this topic and here's something practical you can do. Before you make your next videos, don't start with your editing. Don't start with your script. Start with one specific question. Is someone's already getting views in this idea? Search for your topic. Look at your channel or the competitors in your channel. If your videos are already getting views, that's the green signal. If not, you are still guessing. And guessing is a fastest way to get stuck at 100 views. Even if you fix your topic, most creators still stuck. Let me tell you why. Because one simple reason, nobody clicks. You can have the best editing, you can have a best script, the most valuable content, but if the people don't click, it is already dead. Your video does not exist. And this is where the most people lose. They spend hours of making videos, but they completely ignore how the video is presented. And on YouTube, presentation is everything. Your title, your idea, your thumbnail. This combination is actually what I call is packaging. And this what is actually decide whether your videos get 100 views or 10,000 or million views. But here's a real shift. Your packaging should not try to attract everyone. It should feel like it made for you. One specific person. This is what I called the one person signal. Let me tell you what it is. Imagine you are scrolling on YouTube, hundreds of videos, different topic, different style, but suddenly you see one videos and it feels like, wait, this is literally about me. No thinking, no hesitation, just one click. That's the one person signal. It is not loud. It is not trying to impress everyone out there. But for the right people, it is impossible to ignore. And this is the real shift you need to make. Stop trying to go viral for everyone. Start making videos that feel personal, that feels they are made for me, for one specific viewers, because when that happen, that click-through rate goes up, your watch times goes up, and when your YouTube AI says, okay, this is work, and start pushing your content for newer audience to wider audience. So if your video is getting less than 100 views right now, stop overthinking. I mean seriously. You are not failing. You are in a just silent testing phase right now. YouTube AI is trying to understand you, and instead of panicking, focus on building foundation, because the truth is your next 10, 50 or 20 videos, they will not even go viral, and more importantly, they are meant to train you. So here's what I want you to do right now. Every time you upload a single video, don't chase for views, just improve one thing. Maybe your hook gets better, maybe your audio gets improved, maybe your thumbnail become more clear, and that's it. One small improvement will stack up, and that's how your channel will grow. But listen, even people click your videos, if they don't stay, you're still going to get stuck. So now what you wanted to understand how to get click, you need to understand how to keep attention. Now here's an interesting part. Based on what you have been seeing recently, YouTube AI actually went through my content and it picked one specific video for you. It believed this one video you should watch right now. So next click that and I will see you there. And if you wanted to keep improving your videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you don't miss what coming next.